sassoku, mamonaku, sugu, or suguni, and mousugu. These are all adverbs. It can be difficult to know how to use them in different situations. In this video, let's look at the subtle differences between them and how they are used. To get to the point, our recommended way of remembering each adverbs are: sassoku translates as right away, sugu and suguni as soon and quickly, mousugu as very soon or just around the corner, mamonaku as shortly or it won't be long. And roughly speaking, suguni is a polite way of saying sugu, and also sassoku is a formal way of saying sugu or suguni. Mamonaku is a formal way of saying mousugu or sugu or suguni. How to use sugu and suguni. Sugu, or suguni, are probably the most frequently used expressions in everyday Japanese conversation. Sugu may sound more casual than suguni. The meanings of these two words are the same. Both can be used all tenses from the past to the future. Let's see some examples of how to use. He said he will arrive soon.
彼はすぐに着くそうです。
Some policemen were quickly on the scene.
警察官が現場にすぐに駆けつけました。
However, it has an alternative use, meaning easy or easily. For example, he is easily upset.
彼はすぐに怒ります。
I easily found my way there.
その道順はすぐにわかりました。
How to use mousugu and mamonaku. Mousugu is used to refer to something that will happen very soon. But it cannot be used for things that have already been done, or happened, as it's used in reference to the present. In that case, you should use mamonaku, or suguni. Otherwise, as I pointed out in the beginning, mamonaku is a formal way of saying mousugu, or suguni. Let's see some examples. Christmas is just around the corner.
もうすぐクリスマスです。
I'm turning 20 years old soon.
もうすぐ20歳になります。
The train will be arriving on platform number 1 shortly.
もうすぐ一番線に電車が来ます。
The train will be arriving on platform number 1 shortly.
まもなく一番線に電車が参ります。
One more example. He will be back soon.
彼はもうすぐ戻ります。
He will return shortly.
彼はまもなく戻ります。
As soon as we arrived, the concert started.
私たちが着いてすぐにコンサートが始まりました。
The concert started shortly after we arrived.
私たちが着いて間もなくコンサートが始まりました。
How to use sassoku. It is important to note that sassoku can only be applied to the actions that a person intentionally performs, whereas the other three can be applied not only to humans but also to things or animals. Like sugu and suguni, it can be used both with reference to the present, and also for things that have already been done or have happened. For example, thanks for your quick reply.
すぐの返事、ありがとう。
Thank you for your prompt reply.
早速のお返事、 ありがとうございます。
I'm coming soon.
すぐに伺います。
I'll be there right away.
早速伺います。
I bought the book immediately.
すぐにその本を買いました。
I bought the book right away.
早速その本を買いました。
Let's sum up one more time. Sassoku translates as right away, sugu, and suguni, as soon, and, quickly. Mousugu, as very soon or just around the corner. Mamonaku, as shortly, or, it won't be long. And roughly speaking, suguni is a polite way of saying sugu. And also, sassoku, is a formal way of saying sugu or suguni. Mamonaku, is a formal way of saying mousugu or sugu or suguni. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you are interested in Japanese culture, realities of life and hot topics in Japan, have a look our other channel. You can find the URL on the description. Look forward to seeing you another video.